Welcome. In this video we're going to take a look at LandGuardian DNS Traffic Decoding. My name is Darragh Delaney from Netfort. So let's take a look at the new DNS decoder in use. To access the reports you can simply type DNS into the search bar. You've got your DNS Clients and Servers. Or if you click on all reports, go to Services, you can access the same reports from there. So let's have a look at the common use cases for these reports. First one is DNS servers. So what DNS servers are clients servers using on my network? So you can load the report up, select the time period, click the calendar, you can choose a wider time period. I'm looking at 24 hours. I get a list. If I want to filter it, maybe just showing local ones, we'll put in the local subnet here, /8 for example, and that will show me all local DNS servers. Drill down then to see what clients are using those DNS servers. And the interesting bit is when you drill down here, because you can actually see what they're looking up. So this actually is a server. It's using this DNS server and it's looking up some NTP names here, domain names, and these are the IP addresses that's returning. So for the next use case, you could check out what is a client looking up. So maybe if there was a malware issue, if there was any suspicion about a client and you needed to see what sort of DNS lookups it's doing. So again, let's go for just type in DNS here and DNS Clients. If there's a particular client, you can put in the IP address here or run the report and select the client from the list. So I have one client here, it's doing a lot of lookups. Let's see what's going on. And here then I can see the actual domain names that the client is looking up and what's the IP address that's getting returned. So for the next use case, you may be worried about DNS cache poisoning. Now, I won't cover that topic here if you Google it, but it's where, it could be malware. Something is messing up your DNS and potentially clients are getting back the wrong IP addresses for a particular domain. So if we wanted to check up, for example, just pick one up here at random, so mail.google.com. So I want to be careful. You can look this up yourself and find out what is the correct IP address that you should get back for mail.google.com. In fact, most of the Google ones here some of them are coming back to 203.83. So if you want to filter it and see what other types of IP addresses are getting resolved to this website name or domain name, give it a go for DNS in the search. And we're going to go for this low-level event, this report here. For the domain, we'll put in mail.google.com, run the report. So this shows us then what clients, what's the DNS server, and what IP addresses are coming back. So in this case here, they're all in the same Google subnet. But if I spotted a suspicious one in here, potential here of DNS cache poisoning. Now there are probably lots of other ways you can use the DNS decoder, but here are some of the basic ones. Find out what DNS servers you have, do forensics on a client, see what it's looking up. Or if you're suspicious of cache poisoning, take a look at the domain to IP address mapping, check it manually and see if there's an issue there with that. So if you want to try this out yourself, our LandGuardian is available as a 30-day trial on our website. So if you go to www.netfort.com, you can download the free trial there today.